Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Today we have inaugurated Gymnasium and Multipurpose Hall in my Cariyamodi Ward. This was possible only because of the grants what we got through Curchorem Municipal Council. This gymnasium will be benefited for our youth who had requested me long back that they want a gym in our ward. And also Multipurpose Hall is for small functions because we don't have a hall, this type of hall in this area. So I thank our MLA, without whom this was not possible. Before we used to never get grants. As he became an MLA, we started getting grants. I thank him, and I also thank my people for motivating me for doing all this good work for them.
हे वॉर्डान इनॉग्रेशन जे केल्ले आसा आमचे काउन्सिलर जस्मीन बाय एक बरी गोष्ट केल्ली आसा जिमनेजियम जे लोकांक सदांच लागीं जाय तेन्ना एक बरो ब्युटिफूल जिम बांदलो आसा हांव ताका शाबासकी दिता खुबशे वाठारांत हे डेव्हलपमेंट तेणें केल्लें आसा ताका ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा आनी उरलेली कामां बेगिना बेगीन करची अशें विनंती करता अलॉंग विथ दॅट स्मॉल हॉल आसा मिनी हॉल फॉर लोकांक फंक्शनाक तेन्ना हॉलूय तेणें लोकांनी यूज करपाक जो मेहनत घेतल्या जस्मीन बाय हांव शाबासकी दिता.